You can ignore the picture of the lighthouse. It's just there to keep the camera in focus for the moment. Okay, we start with the equation x plus 1 quantity squared equals 1. Now, how can you use common sense to solve this equation? You should pause the video and think about this for a minute. Okay, now, hopefully pause the video and give this some thought. Common sense is that if something squared is 1, and that something is either 1 or negative 1. Now, how does that help solve this equation? Again, you should pause and think about this. Now, I'm not going to pause because I don't want to put a lot of dead space in this video. Take you too long to view it. It'd be unnecessary. You can pause and you can resume. Okay? Well, the implication is that what the thing that's being squared here is going to be 1 or negative 1. What's the thing that's being squared? Thing being squared is x plus 2. Now, if the thing being squared is, if the something squared is 1, then that something is either 1 or negative 1. That something is the x plus 2. So you have x plus 2 equals 1, or x plus 2 equals negative 1. Now, if x plus 2 equals 1, it follows that x equals, negative 1, or x equals negative 3. Okay, we can take the lighthouse away now. The camera will focus on the writing. That's one way to solve this, and that's the easiest way to solve this problem. Now, a little more sophisticated use of variables. Let u equal x plus 2. Then our equation is u squared equals 1. Because if u equals x plus 2, then x plus 2 squared is u squared. Now, if u squared equals 1, so u equals 1 or u equals negative 1. For the same reason here. But if something squared is 1, then that something is either 1 or negative 1. So, and you can verify this. If u is 1, when you square it, you get 1. If u is negative 1, you square negative 1, you still get 1. And there's no other number that will satisfy this equation, no other real number that will satisfy the equation. Okay. Put it this way now. U equals 1 means x plus 2 equals 1 because u is just a shorthand for x plus 2. So x equals minus 1 is a solution. That's very much like what we did here, except for being a little more formal. We're doing a u substitution to make this really rigorous. Okay? U equals negative 1 means x plus 2 equals negative 1, so x equals negative 3 is a solution. Now, either using this kind of reasoning, which you should understand, and this will ultimately be what you think about, or this line in which you do the substitution, and this is a very good thing to know how to do, and it's going to be very useful for problems in an upcoming section. Either way, you get the same solutions, and either way, you plug those values of x into the equation, you're going to get a true equation, and you should do that check. I'm going to say check these solutions.